Excuse me? Hey!
Oh! Huh. Sorry. Didn't see you. What can I do you for?
I'd like to get my car.
Hey, you're a pretty patient guy, you are. That car's been there for 2 years. We took it out for a drive every month and checked the tires and batteries, just like you said. Here, it's the 3rd floor down. The service elevator is at the far end of the garage. Now, you have yourself a good one, Chief.
Was on, huh?
But the audio was on?
Oh yeah, go figure.
Whoops.
That's good footage then, I guess. Oh wait, this isn't broadcast only. I don't think it's saved in the... Let me double check. Yeah, it wasn't... Oh, it was in video clips. Okay.
Video clips, though.
Not broadcast. It's weird. So if it was live, it was a replay, they'd hear it.
Okay.
Yeah.
If you saved a clip.
Yeah.
Is the camera on?
It's camera.
Okay. Both microphone audio and gameplay are being broadcast. Microphone audio and gameplay, is there no camera?
This camera is on the bottom right. I gotta adjust that. There you go, and then upper right. I think I had to change it because like it was like different, like whatever.
I don't, it's looking at my foot.
Hey, be quiet.
It's tilted, it's looking at your crotch.
There's nothing to see here, folks.
There's literally nothing. It's pointing at the ceiling.
All right, I see.
Still pointing at the ceiling.
I see this game you're playing.
Stupid camera.
Simply Classic Dimension.
Get your hand out.
Something to play this while sitting down.
It's pretty zoomed in. Let me see.
Yeah, it's just on the place your camera is, I guess. Hello. Look at the shirt.
You gotta change the zoom function?
I'm gonna check. Maybe we get large size or something. Zoom. No zoom. Find face, maybe? I don't know. That's you on the face.
Size large.
Maybe we just change spots. Maybe that'll make it easier.
Find face.
If you sit on the bed, I'll be over there. We just that'll make it easier.
At the bottom.
After screen is
So big.
No, I adjusted it. Maybe I gotta make it a smaller
Here we
square.
go. This is better.
Alright.
This is better. Just tilt it down a bit.
I don't know, take your word for it, I guess. I don't know.
There we go. It's terrible.
There we go.
There we go, yeah, we made it.
That's
yeah.
pretty good.
That's pretty good. Let's just hope
That's
the
as
wind
good as we're gonna get.
Let's just hope the wind... I walked the wrong way. Let's hope the wind doesn't blow it or anything. No, don't do it. I finally knocked it's over something in the game. like, so this is sort of like Cool Runnings, I guess. It's sort of like luge or whatever. Bobsledding, sorry.
How dare you call Cool Runnings luge?
It's bobsledding.
Wait, is luge different from bobsledding?
I don't know. I should. This is why I'm not in that sport. It's not my car.
You're going to the wrong car.
Oh, I didn't unlock it. I guess I gotta unlock it.
Vanishing of Ethan's car.
I gotta unlock the car for it to work.
Vanishing of Ethan's car. Turd.
Yeah.
Worst GPS ever.
So you played this part last time, so let me see what to do. Oh, left stick. Okay.
Yeah.
Left
This
stick.
is the worst GPS ever. What the
My
hell?
phone.
I don't know how to get to McDonald's.
This is in the wrong spot. I'm suing.
What if like somebody carjacked the car and stole the GPS and they're like,
No, the GPS is in his pocket. Yeah.
oh, okay, it's not in the car.
Yeah.
Your
Get all that
destination
out of your
is 4
pockets,
miles
man.
from
Take
here.
it.
Leave the parking lot.
You should do that, right? He gets robbed and then someone else drives the car. Oh, don't take my car. It's GPS. Whatever you do,
This is a sticker.
Oh, hey, wait, let me the depth trap. Wait, nobody give me the
The
car.
alternate timeline.
That's what they would do in Saw, I guess, especially the bad ones.
Take a left at the next intersection. Keep to the right and take the first exit.
Yeah, a little cutscene just for that. Oh, fuck.
Oh no, an error.